Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a super simple way to subscribe to X subscription without wasting any time. Whether you're new to the app or just looking to upgrade, I'll guide you step by step so you don't miss anything. To get started, first head over to the App Store and search for X. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version for the best experience. Once it's updated, open the app and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Next, go to Settings and then tap on Privacy. After that, select Premium. Here, you'll see all available subscription options. Simply choose the one you want, pay, and you're all set. It's that easy. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share so you don't miss my next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.